Tired of your Smartsheet looking generic and unbranded? Learn how to add your custom logo in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact 8 steps to upload and display your logo. Let's start from the homepage. Start by navigating to the Smartsheet homepage. Then, click on your profile icon located at the lower left corner. From the menu, select Personal Colors and Logo. Now, locate the Custom Logo section on the screen. Click Select and choose your logo file from your computer. Once you've selected it, hit Save to apply the change. Go ahead and click Home on the left sidebar. And there you go. Your custom logo will now appear on the homepage. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.